Ahoy Sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Don't let your lack of cruise knowledge ruin your cruise experience. Come aboard with us in today's episode as we reveal 5 Princess Cruises tips and tricks only the pros know about. Let's kick things off by mastering the tech on board. To cruise like a pro on Princess Cruises, you need to familiarize yourself with OceanNow and OceanReady. These services are designed to make your experience seamless. For OceanNow, if you're not on a Princess Plus or Premier package, use it wisely to make the one-time activation fee of $14.99 worth it. As for OceanReady, aim for the green lane by completing your checklist in advance and getting your medallion shipped to you. It's all about a fast and hassle-free start to your cruise. All right, you've mastered the tech, but how about mastering the art of relaxation? If you're looking to escape the bustling crowds, let's find your Zen zone. The sanctuary isn't just a space, it's a serene experience you won't want to miss. Pros make reservations as early as possible. Sometimes it's even the first thing we recommend doing on day 1 of the cruise. Pricing varies, so be sure to check out what's included in your package. You can expect to shell out around $20 for a half-day lounge rental and up to $220 for a full-day cabana. Feeling relaxed yet? Good, because you're going to need some energy for what comes next. Boredom is not an option on Princess Cruises. Whether it's daytime activities like mahjong, pickleball, or bingo, or evening entertainment like Broadway-style shows and magicians, there's something for everyone. But pros know how to choose wisely. For instance, if you're into bingo, did you know you could pay $20 to play 5 games?
Bingo!
Or if you're a movie buff, you can catch first-run feature films at movies under the stars. Use the Princess Patter to plan your day down to the minute and make the most of what's on offer. So you've optimized your onboard activities and have your day all planned out. But what about those rumbling stomachs? Well, let's move from the deck to the dining table and dish out some insider tips on how to eat like royalty without breaking the bank. Pros know that the best times to hit the buffet are right when they open and right before closing. Why? Fewer crowds and fresher food. But if you want the absolute freshest, go during the rush. That's when they're restocking. But what about dining reservations? Enter Dine My Way. This feature allows you to customize your dining experience right down to the table size and your dining companions. You can even opt for private or shared tables, depending on your mood. And if you're traveling in a group, Dine My Way makes it easy to accommodate everyone. Just remember, if you're using onboard credit, it can't be used before your cruise to purchase specialty dining reservations, so plan accordingly. With all that food and fun, you'll need a plan for those exciting port days. Let's dive into how the pros make the most out of each destination. Whether it's a bustling city or a secluded beach, knowing how to navigate port days can make or break your cruise experience. Here's how the pros do it. Pre-book excursions. The early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the best shore excursions. Pros know to book in advance to secure spots on popular tours and activities. Local research. Don't just rely on the cruise line's excursions. Sometimes the best experiences are found by going local. Use the ship's Wi-Fi to research local attractions and must-visit eateries before you disembark. Pack a port day bag. A pro always has a small bag packed with essentials like sunscreen, water bottles, and local currency. Don't forget to throw in a portable phone charger. Time management. Keep an eye on the time, especially if you're exploring on your own. The ship won't wait, and trust us, you don't want to be that person racing down the pier. Some cruise lines, including Princess, offer a cruise guarantee on their excursions. If your tour runs late, the ship will wait for you. Just another reason to book those excursions in advance. All right, sailors, we've shared our insider tips. Now it's time to hear from you. Which of these pro tips are you most excited to try on your next Princess cruise? Or maybe you have an insider tip of your own. Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. And the best tip might just be featured in our next video. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.